Welcome to AI Millionaire Movement. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic, perfect for beginners looking to make money on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with fellow creators who could benefit from these insights. Your engagement not only helps us grow, but fuels our mission to create even more impactful content just for you. These 7 incredible AI tools can elevate your content creation game. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your existing channel, these tools are designed to streamline your workflow, boost your creativity, and ultimately help you monetize your passion. We'll explore each tool's unique features, how they can save you time, and tips on integrating them into your YouTube strategy. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a solid understanding of these AI resources, but also be inspired to leverage technology to grow your audience and revenue. So, if you're ready to unlock the potential of AI and take your YouTube journey to the next level, stick around. Now, let's kick things off with TubeMagic, an AI tool specifically designed to optimize your YouTube channel for monetization. One of its standout features is its powerful keyword research capabilities, helping you identify trending keywords to boost your video's visibility. This ensures your content reaches a wider audience. TubeMagic also offers video optimization suggestions, Upload Optimizer. This tool helps write your titles, descriptions, and tags that resonate with viewers and the YouTube algorithm alike. What makes TubeMagic particularly appealing for beginners is its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech whiz to navigate it. The intuitive design makes implementing strategies straightforward. TubeMagic is an easy-to-use software that can be purchased monthly or yearly for a discounted rate. If you're ready to unlock your channel's potential, TubeMagic is an excellent starting point. Next up is VidQ, an AI-powered tool that focuses on video analytics and SEO, a must-have for aspiring YouTubers. VidQ provides valuable insights into your video's performance, tracking metrics like views, watch time, and audience engagement. These insights help you refine your content strategy based on what's working. One standout feature is VidQ's ability to suggest optimized video titles and tags based on trending searches and competitor analysis. This boosts your video's discoverability. For instance, after applying VidQ's recommendations, some users report doubling their video views. VidQ stands out for its comprehensive analytics. Now, let's dive into Canva, an exceptional graphic design tool perfect for creating eye-catching thumbnails that grab attention and drive clicks. Thumbnails are your video's first impression, playing a vital role in influencing viewers to watch. Canva makes designing easy, even if you're not a design expert. It offers a vast library of customizable templates, giving you the flexibility to add images, text, colors, and even animations for a polished, professional look. You can also access a variety of fonts, stock photos, icons, and filters to ensure your thumbnail stands out. For even greater impact, Canva's drag-and-drop interface allows you to experiment effortlessly with layouts and design elements. Plus, by maintaining a consistent style across all your thumbnails, you can establish a strong brand identity, making your channel instantly recognizable to your audience. Let's explore Lumen 5, an innovative AI video creation tool that transforms text into engaging videos. This is a game changer for creators with limited time. With just a few clicks, you can convert blog posts or articles into captivating videos. Lumen 5 is perfect for repurposing content, allowing you to maximize your efforts. For example, a blog post can be turned into a short video, expanding your reach to new audiences. In today's digital landscape, video content significantly boosts engagement. If you're looking to elevate your content game, Lumen 5 is a must-try. Now, let's introduce TubeBuddy, a powerful browser extension designed to enhance your YouTube channel management. TubeBuddy's bulk processing and optimization features allow you to update multiple videos at once, saving you time while ensuring consistency. Another standout feature is A/B testing for video titles and thumbnails. This helps you determine what resonates best with your audience, improving click-through rates and engagement. TubeBuddy shines in bulk processing and excels in managing channel workflows efficiently. While these services may be similar in mission with other tools, they serve a different type of creator. Now we venture into Pexels, a platform offering free stock videos and images to enhance your video quality. Pexels provides a vast library of high-quality visuals, perfect for making your content more engaging and professional. For instance, you can use Pexels footage as background visuals or to complement your narrative, giving your videos a polished look without breaking the bank. The better your visuals, the more likely your audience is to stay engaged. Finally, let's present ChatGPT, one of the most known AI tools that can revolutionize your content creation process. ChatGPT assists in brainstorming content topics and generating video scripts, helping you overcome creative blocks and explore fresh ideas. For example, you can use ChatGPT to develop a bedtime story tailored to your audience. Additionally, it helps you write engaging scripts quickly, allowing you to focus on filming and editing. Regular uploads are vital for growth, and ChatGPT ensures you're never short of content ideas. In today's video, we explored 7 game-changing AI tools that can transform your YouTube journey. From TubeMagic for channel optimization and VidQ for in-depth analytics to Canva for stunning thumbnails, these tools empower you to stand out in a competitive space. Add Lumen 5 for effortless video creation, TubeBuddy for seamless management, Pexels for eye-catching visuals, and ChatGPT for crafting engaging scripts, and you've got the ultimate toolkit to save time, elevate quality, and supercharge your monetization. Whether you're just starting out or ready to scale, these tools can help you create exceptional content, grow your audience, and achieve your YouTube goals. Each one of these tools mentioned today all have a free version and a paid upgraded version with additional features. Don't wait to take action! Start using these powerful tools today and watch your channel thrive. If this video added value to your YouTube journey, we'd love to have your support. Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to see you in our next video, where we'll continue to help you level up your content and reach your goals.